Hey guys, it's your cousin. Welcome to the 6th episode of Mystery Monday. Today I just felt like building some more in Minecolonies. I am super close to finishing Residence, so might as well do that. And I'll probably consider working on... I've got a bit of a kind of advanced idea for the barracks, so I'm hoping that'll work out. Other than that, I hope you enjoy our video today. Leave a like if you do, dislike if you don't, and if you're feeling so inclined, please leave a little interaction down below. Alright, let's get into the video. So yeah, today we are working on, tier 5, starting something else. I don't entirely know what I'm gonna do next, but I'll figure something out, I imagine. There we go. And we are actually now officially done with tier 5. That's the only thing that needed to be changed, really. Or, yeah, Citizen 5. Here we go. What should we start next? I've kind of got maybe a slight idea for fishermen. Maybe? I don't know. Yeah, let's do fishermen, sure. Is stone? It is, okay. Okay, how big do I want the fisherman? At least, probably, honestly, 1 by 2. At least. I do want some odd-sized ones. Maybe I want to work on barracks, actually. Got a couple ideas for sort of barracks, I guess. Got a couple ideas. Barracks will also, with addition of the Archers Academy and the Combat Academy, will be like a cap. So it'll be like an end point, kind of, is the idea. Not really. More like the Archers and Combat Academy will be dead ends, but they'll attach to the barracks is kind of the idea that I have. So let's do that. Sure. Let's work on the barracks and then the other 2 additions. It has been 30 minutes. It's a little past, and I have finished the tier 5 of the residence. I've added in the eye, the corruption, and even added a little pseudo kind of mushroom house addition to the house. And then I started working on the barracks. The barracks will technically be part of a 3-part set, or a 4-part set even, being the barracks, Combat Academy, the Archers Academy, and an exclusive form of the Guard Tower, which will sort of act like a front gate to a large fortress. And that's really all we've kind of been doing so far, so I will see you again in 30 minutes. Okay, it has been 30 minutes, and I have finished the exterior wall. I've added in a nice little bit of detailing, some arrow slits for natural lighting. Haven't done the interior yet, and I've only added in a little bit of an entrance so that you can get in. And then I made a tower a grand tower in the center of the barracks that has collapsed. Seems that after you opened up the ruins, it seems to have destabilized some of the land and accidentally brought down a tower in the barracks, along with the ground surrounding it. And then I added in some big archways, which will be the connection points between the Combat Academy, Archer Academy, and the Guard Tower. Other than that, alright, I will see you again in 30. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and here's what I have to show. I've changed at least 2 of the archways. I haven't gotten to the 3rd yet, and I've added some little armor stands around the archways. Each one, it'll level up for each tier until it's eventually, netherite. And then here is where the barracks will be, the barrack towers. I decided that I want all 4 available at the same... I decided that 4 barracks towers looks good at the start because, it's kind of annoying to have to do it every single time, building a new one. So if they're all out at once, you don't even have to worry about that. Other than that, yeah, that's kind of it for now. And there's definitely not a super embarrassing incident where I totally forgot to bring the game screen back up. And it's definitely not going to even be the only edit I've ever made to a stream to edit that out. It's definitely not happening. I don't know what you're talking about. God, that's so embarrassing. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. Not much has happened since the last time. I just finished all of the interior channels, and I collapsed some of the wall, added a little dummy, a table where they used to play a game that we don't understand anymore, as it is ruins, and I've demossified the top of the wall. Alright, yeah, but that was all we did, actually. This is honestly taking way longer than anything else we've ever done, crazily enough. But I guess I'll see you again in 30. Barracks... Oops, no. 1. I think that's checking spelling. Yes. Should be good. Let's place it. I forgot to put down the markers. Boink. Boink. Barracks. Okay. Okay, so it's working. That's good. There we go. Okay, schematic paste. Alright, there we go, barracks. Cool. Time to start the next tier, then. Tier 2. Well, it is time for the 30-minute update, and I just happen to also have finished Tier 2. Tier 2 is finished, not much has changed, especially up top. Like, barely anything changed up top, but that's pretty normal with how we do things. And the interior is also finished. We've added in the normal tough and stone brick combo with the smooth stone stairs, and replace some of them with lanterns. though maybe there could be extra lighting in the future. Alright, I will scan this now. Barracks 2. Perfect. Move it over to its spot. Oh, there we go. Raise it up. Okay. And schematic paste. Here we go. Tier 2 is finished. Now it is time to start on Tier 3, and I will see you in 30 minutes. Alright, it has kind of been 30 minutes, but there's not enough time to really warrant doing another, more time for working on the next tier, as we are done with Tier 3. As you can see, the tower has been excavated out and given a staircase so that it can be accessed. And all the lights have been replaced, the floor and ceiling's been replaced, armor stands have been upgraded yet again. And yeah, the mushrooms have also grown. Look at this big thick boy, he thick. But yeah, that is it for this tier, so let us scan it. Done. We will go place it. Okay. Then boop, up, schematic, close. Alright, Tier 3 is done. And that does unfortunately mean for the day, we are actually done for the day. Alright, you made it through the video. Good job. As you saw, we made it to Tier 3 of the barracks, finishing it. And now we're getting ready to start Tier 4. That'll be exciting. However, tomorrow, I kind of want to play something new. I don't know what it'll be yet. I'll think about it throughout the day, but we will be streaming a new series tomorrow. Don't know what yet, again. But I hope you enjoyed our video today. Leave a like if you did, a dislike if you didn't, and if you're feeling so inclined, please leave a little interaction down below. And if there's anything you'd like to see me play during Mystery Monday, or Tricky Tuesday, or Wonder Wednesday, please leave it in the comments, and I will think about it. Alright, thank you for watching, and have a good day.